We've been doing a lot of exhaust videos lately. I'm not complaining. Hopefully you guys have been enjoying all of the videos. If you have, give this video a thumbs up. Let's talk about this Remark exhaust. Axlebacks are one of the most cost-effective and easiest ways to change how your exhaust sounds. But most muffler deletes sound very similar because there's only so much that you can do, so the main difference is in how they look. This one in particular is inspired by the Japanese Bōsōzoku styling, which is known for its flashy and outrageous aesthetics, especially the iconic exhaust systems that are massive and loud. Obviously this one isn't quite as ridiculous, but the tips do stick out a little bit more than your typical exhaust. They're long 3.5-inch tips, available in either a polished stainless steel, a burnt stainless steel, or a burnt blue stainless steel where the whole tip is blue. Now, because we're deleting the muffler, we're shedding about 9 to 10 pounds, but because we're deleting the muffler, it's quite a bit louder than the stock exhaust, and you're introducing some drone as well, so keep that in mind. But having said that, it gives the car a nice, deep, aggressive tone to it, and you get these nice pops and cracks on downshifts that make you just want to keep driving. It does sound very similar to the other Axleback that they have, and like I said, most muffler deletes sound the same. And I could see if you start modifying the rest of this exhaust, it can become very loud, so I caution you there. But some people like their exhaust very, very loud. But if you're just throwing this on here and you just want to be able to hear your exhaust a little bit more, I think this is going to be a great option, and I don't think it's too loud. And it's super easy to install. You just take the muffler off and this goes right in its place. They designed it very well. It's just a two-piece design, and it has a unique styling to it with that Bōsōzoku styling. So if you're wanting something that's a little bit different, easy to install, and a little bit louder, I think this checks all the boxes. I'll leave a link down in the description. Let me know what you guys think and comment below with what other exhaust you guys would like to hear. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. get tired of doing this. Might get in trouble though.